Welcome to my latest YouTube video where I'll be sharing my personal journey of starting a faceless YouTube channel using automation in 2023. If you're interested in learning how to leverage the power of automation to start a successful YouTube channel without revealing your face, then this video is for you. I'll be taking you through my step-by-step process of setting up an automated YouTube channel, including the tools and resources I used, and the strategies that helped me turn it into a cash cow. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with YouTube, this video will provide you with valuable insights and actionable tips on how to start your own automated YouTube channel in 2023. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how you can create a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face. Let's get started. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel and turn it into a cash cow, then you're in the right place. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to automate your YouTube channel and turn it into a source of passive income. First things first, you need to identify your niche and target audience. This is crucial as it will help you create content that resonates with your viewers and sets you apart from the competition. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to start creating content. But instead of manually creating videos, you can leverage automation tools to make the process easier and more efficient. You can use tools like Vidnami, Content Samurai, or Lumen 5 to automatically create videos from your existing blog posts or scripts. Next, you need to optimize your videos for YouTube SEO by using relevant keywords, tags, and descriptions. This will help your videos rank higher on YouTube search results, leading to more views and engagement. To monetize your channel, you can use various strategies such as affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or Google AdSense. You can also use platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi to receive donations from your viewers. You need to consistently promote your videos across social media platforms to reach a wider audience and grow your channel. By following these steps and using the power of automation, you can turn your YouTube channel into a cash cow that generates passive income for years to come. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these strategies and watch your channel grow. I'll be sharing 5 automated YouTube channel ideas that are perfect for beginners in 2023. Animated Explainer Videos Channel. Create a channel that uses animation to explain complex topics in an engaging and easy-to-understand way. You can use software like Powtoon or Animaker to create animated videos automatically. Product Reviews Channel. Create a channel that reviews products in a specific niche. You can use affiliate links to monetize your channel and earn commission from product sales. Inspirational Quote Channel. Create a channel that features inspirational quotes and messages overlaid on beautiful footage. You can use tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to automate the process of creating quote graphics. Compilation Channel. Create a channel that compiles funny, interesting, or educational clips from other YouTube channels or social media platforms. You can use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to automate the process of finding and curating clips. Stock Footage Channel. Create a channel that offers stock footage for video creators. You can use platforms like Pexels or Pixabay to automate the process of finding and uploading stock footage. These are just a few automated YouTube channel ideas that are perfect for beginners in 2023. Remember, the key to success is to identify your niche, create high-quality content, and consistently promote your channel. Good luck! If you're a beginner looking to start a YouTube channel, you might be wondering about YouTube automation and how it can help you. In this article, we'll discuss what YouTube automation is and how you can get started with it. YouTube automation is the use of tools and software to automate various tasks related to creating and promoting YouTube content. These tasks can include video creation, editing, uploading, SEO optimization, and social media promotion. The goal of automation is to save time and effort, streamline the content creation process, and help you grow your channel more efficiently. To get started with YouTube automation, follow these steps. Identify your niche and target audience. Before you start creating content, you need to know who your audience is and what they're interested in. This will help you create content that resonates with them and sets you apart from the competition. Choose the right tools. There are many tools and software available for YouTube automation, such as Vidnami, TubeBuddy, Canva, and Hootsuite. Choose the ones that best fit your needs and budget. Create high-quality content. Use the tools to create high-quality videos that are engaging and informative. Use SEO techniques to optimize your videos for YouTube search results. Promote your content. Use social media automation tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to automate the process of promoting your videos on social media platforms. This will help you reach a wider audience and grow your channel more quickly. Monetize your channel. Use monetization strategies like sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or Google AdSense to earn money from your channel. In summary, YouTube automation is a powerful tool that can help you create and promote high-quality YouTube content more efficiently. By following these steps, you can get started with YouTube automation and take your channel to the next level. YouTube automation can save time and effort by automating tasks like video creation, editing, and promotion, making it an attractive option for creators. Automation can also increase efficiency and be cost-effective. However, it's important to find a balance between automation and manual effort to ensure the quality of your content doesn't suffer. Automation tools can limit creativity and may not adapt well to changes in YouTube's algorithm, which is constantly changing. While there are pros and cons to YouTube automation, it can be a valuable tool if used effectively and with awareness of its limitations. The amount of money you can make with YouTube automation depends on several factors, such as the quality of your content, your target audience, and your monetization strategies. With YouTube automation, you can potentially create and upload more videos, increasing your channel's reach and engagement. This can lead to more ad revenue from Google AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. However, it's important to note that YouTube's algorithm is constantly changing, and automation may not always be effective in keeping up with these changes. It's also important to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience, as this will attract more views, subscribers, and revenue. Ultimately, the amount of money you can make with YouTube automation will depend on the quality of your content and your ability to monetize your channel effectively. Finding your niche is a crucial step in creating a successful automated YouTube channel. To find your niche, start by researching your interests, passions, and areas of expertise. Look for gaps in the market or underserved areas that you can fill with your content. Consider your target audience and what they are searching for on YouTube. Use keyword research tools to identify popular topics in your niche, and assess the competition to see what gaps you can fill. Once you've identified your niche, focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience and provides value. You can then use automation tools to streamline the process of creating and promoting your content, but it's important to maintain the quality and uniqueness of your content to stand out in a crowded market. With a clear niche and a commitment to creating valuable content, you can create a successful automated YouTube channel. A successful cash cow YouTube channel requires a combination of effective strategies, hard work, and creativity. Behind the scenes, a successful cash cow YouTube channel involves several key steps. Firstly, you need to identify your niche and target audience, and create high-quality, valuable content that resonates with them. You should then develop a monetization strategy that includes options like Google AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. Promoting your channel through social media, email marketing, and collaborations can help grow your audience and increase revenue. Consistency and regular uploads are also important factors in building a successful cash cow YouTube channel. Automation tools can help streamline some of these processes, but it's important to maintain the quality and uniqueness of your content to stand out from the competition. Overall, a successful cash cow YouTube channel involves a combination of creative content, effective promotion, and monetization strategies. Optimizing your YouTube channel for automation in 2023 involves several key steps. Firstly, you should define your niche and target audience, and develop a content strategy that is tailored to them. This will help guide the type of content you create, the keywords you use, and the automation tools you use to create and promote your content. Using automation tools such as video editing software, content scheduling tools, and social media posting tools can save time and increase efficiency. It's also important to optimize your channel for search engine optimization, SEO, by using relevant keywords in your titles, tags, and descriptions. Another key element in optimizing your channel for automation is to create a consistent brand image across all your social media channels and website. Finally, measure your results and adjust your strategy accordingly by using analytics tools to track your performance and identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you can optimize your YouTube channel for automation in 2023. saving time and increasing your reach and revenue potential. YouTube automation can be an effective way to save time and increase efficiency. But it's important to avoid common mistakes that can hinder your success. One of the most common mistakes is relying too heavily on automation tools and neglecting the quality of your content. It's important to maintain the uniqueness and value of your content to stand out from the competition. Another mistake is failing to engage with your audience and build a community around your channel. This can be done through responding to comments, creating interactive content, and collaborating with other creators. Additionally, it's important to avoid violating YouTube's terms of service by using black hat techniques like clickbait, buying views or subscribers, or violating copyright laws. Finally, it's important to measure your results and adjust your strategy accordingly by using analytics tools to track your performance and identify areas for improvement. By avoiding these common mistakes and following best practices, you can create a successful automated YouTube channel in 2023. As content creators, we appreciate your time spent watching our videos and hope that you found the content informative and entertaining. Your support is invaluable to us, and we want to take a moment to express our gratitude for your continued viewership. We encourage you to leave comments or questions in the comments section below, as we value your feedback and would love to engage with you. Your comments and questions help us improve our content and provide you with even more value. We also appreciate your likes, shares, and subscriptions, as they help us reach a wider audience and grow our community. Thank you once again for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you in the comments section.